Alrighty, well hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? We are in Roblox Studio. We're continuing on to, well I am. I'm trying to finish one of the final updates. Not final updates, but game-wise, this will be one of the final major updates. So in the last Roblox video there, I showed that I redid the fuel system for the trailer. I put in a touchscreen on the trailer, and then we finished the Tech 2. What is it here? I added this T2 manufacturing. So what I'm going to do now is I want to work on the T3 manufacturing. So I thought, you know what, we'll take it one step further. So on the T2 side, the player manufactures or your finished product, I should say, is a pallet. And you can load 4 of those onto your flatbed trailer. So I thought maybe for tier 3, what we'll do is, instead of spawning in a pallet that you can load, you just spawn a trailer. Now I don't know where that trailer is going to be, but I think for each one of these, there's going to be 4. I guess 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so there's going to be eventually 4 trailers. And then of course each, because I kind of think like we're working our way up, right? So in the beginning, we're just doing small little stuff. And then when we start manufacturing, we're only able to manufacture partial loads. And that's why we have to deliver those partial loads. But now that we're sort of going up the ladder of manufacturing, we can go from the player just keep partial loads to, you know, a full trailer. And I mean, that'll be super duper money. So the thing about this part, I do apologize if I don't have the words. I'm still kind of getting over this cold flu, whatever it is, sucks, whatever it is. So my brain. And I'm just getting into Roblox. I haven't touched this for about a week. So, and I mean, you know, kind of complicated with all the numbers and everything else. And so it's just taking me a minute to refocus and recenter. So to get the T3 fuel, all right, what we need to do is, I guess I'll have to test the whole system. So the T3 fuel we're going to deliver into here. Yes, and then the fish, but see, it's fish 2. So now if we go down to our server storage, that fish 2, yes. All right. And that should give me, right now it's only giving me, oh yeah, T3 fuel. Look, I already have it set up. 1,000 T3 fuel per unit. Ooh, that's pretty good. But T3 fuel. I wonder if I tested this already. I must have. Alright, I gotta say, I'm sorry. I've been sick, so I mean, my mind has been focused elsewhere, right? I just haven't had the chance to kind of, now I'm coming back to it. I'm like, what did I do? Oh yeah, I did this and that. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, so basically what that means is we need to test this now. So how do we test this? Well, where's our spawn point here? I guess, what's the easiest thing to do is just to take the spawn point over here. Yeah, we'll bring it back over here, and then I'll need the truck and I'll need the trailer. All right. So I guess this will be, we're testing to see if we can bring, does the T3 fuel system work? That's what we're doing. We're testing to see, does the T3 fuel system work? So what do we have to do to test it? Well, I have to spawn in the ship. And where is it here? So I guess I can do this one of two ways. I can drive it over here with the truck on the trailer, or I can just spawn the trailer in and then use the crane. Probably what I'll have to do. There it is. All right. The only thing about doing it this way is I don't get to turn on the lights. So does that released? Okay, perfect. So now the boat's released, and it's sliding in there. So now, ooh, I probably should have made sure that I can reach it with the crane. All right, let's see here. I have to come back over here. Yeah, maybe that'll work. All right, and we'll interact with that. Yeah, I made sure this crane was reasonably fast. I don't think the winch is that fast, but just because. All right, so let's do what we need to do. Unpack the boat, and then oh, there we go. Oh, look, it glitched into the trailer. Glitched into the trailer when it welded. Hey, there we go. Now it's free. I'll have to remember that. Roblox. Okay, so we'll go this way now. Is there no way to release the boat? That could be a problem. Yeah, there's no... I don't have a disconnect. Alright. Wow. This is why we are testing it, right? So where are we here exactly? The lumber crane. No. What is this? Is that what it is? Water oak? Yeah. Alright. So what I need to do is I need to make a button for that. I thought I did. Uh-oh. I did on the other ones. Yeah. Yeah. I should test this one too. Or is it the close button? No, it isn't. It isn't even that. Okay. Let's figure this out. Just checking my temperature here. Still not quite like, you know, when it hit, oh my goodness, it's so bad. And then you're hot and cold, hot and cold. That's what it is when you have the flu. Still not quite stable. Still, temperature's not swinging as much, but it's still swinging a little bit. All right, so this one just has the closed interface. But that doesn't do anything. So what we need to do is we actually need to get rid of the weld. This here. Yeah, no, we want to have a button. We want to have a button for that. Okay, so let's do that. Let's get a button here. Let's see here. Oh, it's list layout, so I can just duplicate this. This can be vote for the purpose of this, anyways. Yeah, here we go. Let's button one down, connect, function, whatever. What do we want it to do? Let's see. If we say crane, fire server. And the variable will be release. Make sure there isn't a release already. No. All right, perfect. And then in here we need to say if variable is equal to release, then and I think we want to say script.parent. Now, what is the fish crane? Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the weld is created there. Oh no, this is something different. Sorry, this is the fish crane. This is just for unloading the boat. I don't need this here, actually. Yeah, I was confusing myself. See, that's what happens when you haven't played for a while, and I'm like, oh man, okay, so I need to do that. All right, that's crane over here. Now it's starting to make sense. Okay, functions. Yeah, I can just add it in right here. There we go. Now I'll duplicate it. I'll make sure I get the right one. Duplicate. Release. Whatever. Okay, and then I'll just rewrite out the stuff. Local script, so we can say UI dot release. Let's see, dot mouse button one down. Connect function, and we can say crane. Same thing. Fire server, release, just like that. And then I think this is our control script. Yeah, so we'll say if variable is equal to release, then what do we want it to do? So when it makes contact, water out. So we need to say script.parent.parent.fishcrane. We need to make a local here. Local weld equals, we'll say find first child. Water out. Just like that. If weld, then weld, remove, and then what we also need to say is script.parent.parent.fishcrane. Let's see, dot connect, dot enabled equals true. Perfect, because this script disables itself once it connects. So we have to activate the script again, so that way when somebody else comes by and they use the crane, they'll get the desired effect. And then maybe what I'll do for now is we'll just drop this crane out of here. We'll test this crane, and when it works, I will then duplicate it. That's that beeping. Beep, beep, beep. This thing is, I'm telling you, the thermometer, you know, since I had the kids, like, of course you have you have one of these things, right? When you have babies and stuff, and kids get older, but these things are awesome. Like, if you're not feeling well, normally my temperature is pretty stable, right? If you're checking your temperature regularly, you'll see it's pretty stable. Then when you're not, something's off. This is the telltale sign is the temperature is great. It's fantastic. So, all right, that seems to work. That seems to work. Now let's give it a test here. I guess I could have moved the spawn over to that side. Alright, so we'll spawn the trailer in here. Where is it? There it is. Is that right? That is right. I won't release the trailer until it's connected. I think that's the safest way to do it. So then what I need to do is I need to go around and I'll have to add all this stuff to the instructions. Because now we're kind of playtesting it now. It's too bad. I should have made this thing pivot. I mean, you're right. Ideally, can I push it? No, there's no way I'm pushing this thing. Oh, man. Maybe that's in a better spot? No, definitely not there. Oh yeah, right there, cool. Alright, so it's connected now. Now we'll release the... Oh, it's perfect. I don't know what's going on with this. That worked though. I don't know what's going on with this crane. That's so funny. All right, let's get on our boat and let's head out. Let's see here. This obviously is going to have to be worked on too. Where are we going? We gotta go way down here. There it is. I mean, why not, right? All right, so here we are. Oh, it's over on that side. Over here, I think. So if we unlock the basket, no, we need to unlock the crane. All right, and left. Is that right? I think that's right. Down to get our waterfront. Oh, nice. Okay. Full already. Yo. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. Now, let's go back to shore. That's not very fast. I didn't want this part to be very fast, to be honest. I think it just kind of, be relaxing, enjoyable. Checking out the scenery. Right, and this part we know does work. The unloading and the solar. So I'm glad that that works. We know the unloading does work. So we come back over here. Click on that. Get it even closer. Well, interesting. Interesting. Anyways, doesn't matter. Oh, I see, because it connected from the boat and then, all right. So that's how that is. Then we'll hop out of here and then we can close that for now. Interact with that. Release boat. Oh, no. Hopefully it still works. Zero. Need to go up a little bit. Oh, there we go. One of them spawned. All right, so it must have made contact somewhere. Yeah, that's at 0. That's at 0. All right. All righty. It's kind of working. I'll have to figure out why it's stalled. Or maybe it's like a 1 minute timer. Oh, wait. All right, and now this, let's see, this box here. Uh-oh. It's having troubles. I see. Yeah, what's going on with this box? It's having troubles. Okay, we better figure this out. What is going on? What is even going on? Probably has to do with this. Alright, that's fine. Does it turn on the spawn? Or is that this part here? Yeah, the fish crane. Probably don't want that. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong crane. That's why. Oh, did I release that? No, I didn't. I don't think I did that for this one, did I? Oh no. I did. Release. Yeah. Connect function. I don't recommend doing this when you're heavy thinking when you're just coming off having a bad flu. It's probably not the best thing. It's probably not the best thing. Yeah, there we go. Fire server release. Yeah, unless you have like a really strong brain. Oh boy. All right, so let's see. So what happened here? So this crane here. This is the fish spawn. It was 4, right? Yeah. But only 1. Weird. Well, I'll have to try this again. Unfortunately, I've played with it a couple more times. So that's that. So the other thing we wanted to check out was the crate here. What's up with the crate? I'm just doing some weird stuff. Where am I here? Server, storage, fish. This one here is active, yes. What on earth is going on? It couldn't sit still. I guess I can't test it here. I'll have to bring it all the way over here where we're at. Alright, so why is this thing jumping around the way it is? Uh-oh. I wonder if this is... it's welded to there. Which is this one. Oh, this one has no welds in it, that's why. Is everything welded to that? I think this should be welded to here. All right, let's try that. Let's try that. See where we get to. What's our runtime? What's our runtime on this one? Oh, 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. Alright, that seemed to be what it is. Not jumping around now. Perfect. Okay, so it's not jumping around. The other thing we need to test is, again, the fish spawner. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I'll set it up so it only gives one crate. That's probably the best thing to do. See, we've got our 4 positions, right? Or maybe it'll just spawn all 4 at one time. That's probably what I'll do. I'll just duplicate it, and then that way, that'll be the easiest, best solution for everybody. We do this. And we duplicate that. Yeah, there we go. Put that together. Save that fish. And then what I'll do in the spawn script, we'll change it. So it doesn't matter what the, this. Here, we'll get rid of this here. I think I can get rid of that. No, one more. Hey, there we go. So now, that works. Wait 10 seconds. And we'll just say fish. Fish D, yeah, that works. And I won't worry about this. This line of code here can go. Perfect. Now, what we need to do is, instead of moving it to position X, Y, and Z, we don't actually need that. It'll just put it in the workspace, just like that. Cool. So now what do we need to do? Oh, and then what I need to do is I need to go into the player added script, no, the respawn handler. And that's respawning. And this is leaving the game. All right. So if you leave the game, there goes your fish. But if you respawn, they'll stay. Perfect. All right. So now that just needs to be tested in a limited way. Let's see here. I may as well run through the process one more time. One more time. Yeah, let's just do it. All right. Oh, that's a good position. Wow. I think this part's pretty neat, you know? That's cool. Can you put your boat in the water? This one here, I'll have to relabel that. Oh, did it stick again? It did, didn't it? All right. I think this one over here is closer. I think that one over there is closer, actually. This boat does not turn the greatest. I'll have to work on that too. Like that's why it's, you know, this is still in the alpha state, right? It's just once I get everything into the game and there's no more like major updates, then I'll go over the vehicles again, over the interfaces again, and we'll button everything up. Make sure it works properly. All right. Let's see. So we will lock crane left here. Just looking at the little green thing there. There we go. As soon as it goes red, you know you're full. All right. I'm going to go all the way back. Oh, the lock crane doesn't really work. All right, getting close. Oh, cool. Okay, so we can sit there like that. If we need to come in, I can always do that with this, I think, on this side here. Yeah, nice. Oh, okay, I'll just fix that here. Green right, green left. Hey, there we go. So that should have made contact with that. Yeah, that's at 0. And there's our fuel. Oh, that's cool. Okay, perfect. So that worked. That's a success. Now, what I need to see, oh, it looks like did double spawn that? Something's going on here. Double, oh, it's yeah, I gotta check on that now. Oh. Player.name. Okay, and then the other thing we need to check on, it probably broke because of that. Release mode. Get that out of there, and then on the fish spawn, it's because it say while true do. So what we need to do is we need to end this while loop. Which I think we can do from here. And then I can say script parent on value equals false. That should work. All right. See if I can test it just by turning that value on. Instead of having to go through the whole process again and again. That's so sad. That is so sad. Maybe, or maybe if I do it on the server side, actually. Yeah, if I do it on the server side. Oh, there we go. And it made the value go false. Oh, perfect. So it worked. Nice. And now we only have one set. Yeah, which is what we want. We only have one set. Cool. So then we can take this. We can load it on the trailer. We need this trailer here. And then we need this truck. Where are they? That's my there. I know my internet connection is not the greatest right now, so it's just. All right. Yeah, if you get too close to it like that, you just have to press. There we go. Now we just need the one, but I'll bring two. This thing definitely needs some work. It is fast. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll hop out of there. Should be able to press this button and they will be welded on there. Nope. Okay, this one seems to be welded on there. So I'll have to check that out. Is that welded on there like that now? Uh-oh. Alright, that may be welded on there like that. Let's just see. Yeah, there must have been just a second or something before it was well, I don't even know. I'll have to debugging, right? Okay. Oh, and now oh boy. I don't know what's going on with my internet connection, but it is trash right now. All right. So we've made it back to our base. Turn this on. We'll activate it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ah, yes. So we won't actually be able to. I'm pretty sure it works, but I won't be able to confirm that. Sadly. Because of the error. Oh boy. Well, I'll be able to confirm that here. But anyway, so essentially that's the idea. Oh, did that work? Oh, it did work. Oh, cool, even though I got the error. Nice. All right. So that should have given us what, 1,000. Let's see. Oh, it's not active yet. It's not implemented here. So I need to check on my character. And this is T3 fuel. Cool. We have 1,000 per unit. I mean, that's pretty sweet. And then you can put all this stuff away. We don't need the truck anymore. You know, we can get rid of that. We don't need the trailer anymore. We can get rid of that. And that's that. And then we can just do some manufacturing or whatever we need to do here. Now I'll stop and then go back in the game and see if it actually saved. Because I know it says it saves down there, but sometimes if all the parameters aren't met, then because we have the p call function there, it'll make sure that all the parameters are met before it saves. All right. Holy, this is a long one. Dang, another hour, eh? I can't help it. Can't help it. Testing. Testing. I'll probably have a good sleep after this. Try and sleep through the last bit of this cold. Flu, whatever it is. Okay. And then if we check our... Yeah, we got our T3 fuel. Cool. So now that I have T3 fuel, I can now start working on the actual T3 part, the T3 manufacturing part, and I'll be able to test it now that I have the fuel here and saved. Awesome. So that's going to do it for this video. Yeah, that's it. Just bringing in the fuel, making sure all that works. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.